What's up guys? It's me, IamRomeoC and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, medyo matagal tayong nawala sa YouTube kasi may pinagdaanan tayong medyo hindi maganda. And ayun, I am back right now. And for today's video, I'm going to show you something na natanggap ko as Christmas gift. Medyo late na ang video natin ito kasi medyo may pinagdaanan nga ako, and I would like to apologize for the audio of my video kasi it might be echoing kasi I'm using the empty room dito sa building namin kasi it's hard for me to shoot sa kwarto ko. What's up guys? It's me, IamRomeoC and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, medyo matagal tayong nawala sa YouTube at matagal tayong hindi nakapag-upload kasi may pinagdaanan ako this Christmas season, and medyo nagkaroon ako ng depression and stress, pero I've come to overcome it. And yun, so for today's video, I'm going to show you a machine that I received last Christmas as a Christmas gift. And papakita natin kung paano ito gamitin kasi I am seeing too many videos of this in YouTube but it's in Arabic. And I would like to apologize also for the audio of this video kasi I'm using the empty space dito sa building namin dahil hindi ako makapag-shoot sa kwarto ko dahil ang daming gamit, and this machine requires space. Ayan, before I start, I would like to thank Miss France Helminger and Lakwatcherang Lola for giving me this machine as their Christmas gift. Ayun, supposedly they are going to give me an espresso machine and it should be a surprise, pero hindi na siya surprise kasi Miss Francie was trying to order it online but hindi siya pwedeng bayaran by card. And kailangan niyang ipadala sa akin yung pera to pay the Nespresso, pero I suggest na huwag na lang Nespresso kasi I've been looking for a machine with frother for a very long time. I think since August pa kasi I am using this drip machine for almost 3 years that was given to me by a friend also. And ayun, I wanted to have something different kasi nga I need to study the art of making coffee kasi, you know, I'm planning to stay in the Philippines for good when I finish my contract here, and I'm studying the art of coffee kasi I'm eyeing to open a coffee shop business if God will allow. So, ayun, so let me show you how to use this machine. And also I would like to thank Miss Alicia, Madam Alicia Marchetti and Doc Richard because the coffee bean that I'll be using is the Starbucks Holiday Roast. This was given to me by Doc and Madam. So thank you Doc and Madam for this one. So ayun, ito ang Saachi coffee machine na I got as Christmas gift from France Helminger and Lakwatcherang Lola, and it comes with waffle maker, pero I am just going to show you how to use it. Ayan, papakita ko kung paano gamitin ang Saachi coffee machine. So first of all, this is the steaming knob. Ayan, ito yung steaming knob, and then this is the frother on and off button, the coffee drip and water drip on and off button, and the machine itself button. And then on this part, this is where you put the coffee filter. It comes with this coffee filter and this coffee filter also. And it's scooping cup and the stamper. there is this dip tray, removable dip tray. Ito siya. And at the back, sa likod is 1.5 liter capacity water dispenser, and this is the frothing nozzles. So ayun, ang kailangan natin gawin bago gamitin ang ating Saachi coffee machine is i-on muna natin siya. See, and wait for the light na mag-green. This top bottom, this top level pala, it's heating to make your cup warm. So I have my cup here. Lagay natin siya dyan. And hintayin natin na mag-green siya. Habang hinihintay natin na mag-green siya, yung coffee grains i-stamp natin sa ating filter. Palaglagan lang muna natin yung tubig dito para magkaroon siya ng tubig dun sa kanyang heating compartment. See, nag-steam siya, then ilagay na natin ang ating filter. While habang ginagamit mo siya, and kung medyo malaki yung mug mo, yung coffee cup mo, mawawala yung green light dito, pero it's okay. Ayan. And then, hindi siya automatic, kaya we need to keep an eye on here. And kapag na-reach na niya yung level na gusto mo, i-pop mo na lang ulit siya. And then for the frother, i-on natin siya ngayon, and let's wait for the light to turn green again. And for this one, this is espresso already, so we were just going to add the milk with froth, so it will become cappuccino. Cappuccino and latte are almost the same. Ang difference lang is cappuccino is more on foam, the latte is the one we designed. So, okay na, green na siya. Let's see. From here, kailangan na natin siyang i-steam. So, ayan. Nagkalag tayo dito. And we will need cold fresh milk. Ayan, when I was trying to learn how to use this, minessage ko pa si Miss Francie at sila ko ng Lola on how to use the frother. Kasi first time ko gumamit ng machine na to, and they teach me, and it happens na hindi pala lahat ng gatas is pwede mong gamitin. So, I think 2 AM na madaling araw, lumabas ako just to buy this milk last time para lang mag-froth. So, ayun. Green na ulit siya. I-froth na natin yung milk. Kapag po-froth pala natin ng milk, dito sa milk, sa frother nozzles na to, meron siyang butas. Doon mo ilalagay yung level ng gatas para mag-create siya ng foam. So here's our cappuccino. Sarap. Ayan. I-off na uli natin yung filter and para linisin naman siya, caution with this, medyo mainit to. Para linisin naman siya, i-remove natin ito dito. I don't have something here. Ayan, and then i-drip natin yung water dito sa para malinis yung filter sa baba. So ngayon, that's how we operate this Saachi coffee machine. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pakiclick ang like button, pakisubscribe mo na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel at huwag mo kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And kung kaya mong basahin na isang tao, gawin mo dahil baka taong napapasaya mo isang depression sa buhay na nagbabawas. Bye!